Welcome everyone. In this video, we will solve this double diode based clipper circuit. So in this question, the given diode T1, D2 are ideal and the sinusoidal input we are giving across the input side, this across this input side. Okay, so we have to find the output voltage waveform. Okay, so in this question, we have to find the output waveform V output. Okay, so this one is a simple diode based clipper circuit using two diodes. So there is some cross connection like this, but we can easily modify this circuit by tilting this wire in upper hand, okay, in upside. So if we redraw the circuit, it is somehow this. Okay, this resistance goes up, then this diode. So this one is D1, D2. Okay, only you have to move up this lower wire to upside and it will go downward. So it, but this arrow, due to this upper, by modifying the circuit, this one will be our minus and plus. So this should be our V output D1, D2. This one is our R and this should be our V in, that is our sinusoidal. So this one is the figure. Now the modified figure is this one. Okay, so now it is very simple question. So for the positive half cycle, so one can write case 1 for positive half cycle. Okay, for the positive half cycle, that is our, when we are giving this input for 0 to t by 2. Okay, this one 0 to t by 2. So this diode D1 become forward bias, okay, and D2 become forward bias. So what we can write, this one with the short circuited, because this one is the ideal one, R, and this should be our minus plus, and this one is our V output, and this one is nothing but simply plus of minus V in. So we have to now apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, in this loop. So by applying KVL, one can write plus V in plus V out equals to 0. So V out is nothing but simply minus V in. For the first positive half cycle, D1 and D2 1. Okay, so the output, we can say in this case, will be minus V in. Okay, so 0 to t by 2. Now for the negative half cycle, this diode will be reverse bias. Okay, so for the negative half, the diode will be reverse bias. Both the diode will be reverse bias. These are very simple numerical. Okay, minus plus say V output, then it should be for the negative half. So we can say t by 2 to t. Okay, so this one is the V in. So in that case, the current will be 0. So V output, that means simply 0 for negative half of the input. Okay, so in this case, the output will be 0 for t by 2 to 0. So the final output response, we can say, it will go like this one, 0 to t by 2 and t. Okay, so for 0 to t by 2, it should be minus V in, and For t by 2 to t should be 0. So this one is the output waveform. So which should be the response for this one? The final response will be this C. So C is the correct answer for this question. So this was very simple. So basically the thing is that we have to modify the circuit. Okay, it looks slightly complicated in this case, but if we flip this side to up and this plus side to down, so this one be the modified circuit. Okay, the same circuit we have modified. Then for the positive half cycle, we can say d1 d2 is on, so d1 d2 on, then we can find the value of v output, which is just the inverted input. So the output will be this one. Okay, and for the next negative half, it should be output will be 0 because both the diode is off and there will be 0 current in this resistor, so v output will be 0. So the final response will be like that. Okay, so this one is the very simple question. So thank you for watching.